So let me tell you a little bit about the Trusted Team workshops. Firstly, they happen in person and online. Now we know that the in-person experience is a better experience, but we also appreciate, because of geography or time constraints, that online is sometimes, or for some people always, better. Now, at the workshop, the morning session is focused on the guest speaker, whether that be relating to marketing, setting better processes, better goals, health and well-being, whatever it is, we'll be focusing as a group on the guest speaker. Then after a healthy and delicious lunch, we'll spend the afternoon working through coaching principles, but also strengthening those relationships with the other professionals in the room, because we know that that helps build better business relationships outside of the room. But I appreciate we can't always attend all of the workshops in person or even online. You might be off sunning yourself somewhere. So we also record all of the events, and therefore you can catch up after your holiday or whatever it was to make sure you don't miss out on any of the quality content. So in summary, the workshops are about helping you innovate in your practice. They're about helping you improve your strategic relationships outside of the workshop, but also they're about helping you merge fun with business to enjoy our working life more.